Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a story using AI. Go to ChatGPT and type in make me a story, a 200-word story on let's say on monsters under the bed or something like that, and then press enter and it's going to generate this. You're then going to type in generate a character for Ava and the monsters maybe, and just press enter. This is the prompt for the monsters, and then you're just going to turn it into a prompt. Get that prompt, and basically you are going to go to Google Gemini here, and then go to new chat, and then I'm just going to do the Ava first, like this maybe. Actually, I'm just going to paste everything here, and then you're going to press enter. Maybe make it like into a cartoon character, cartoon style, or like cartoon storybook style, and then you can just make like the story based off of that. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.